Hey traders! Today we are diving into the ToborFX EA. Perfect for traders aiming for high win rates and controlled drawdowns. ToborFX EA requires no DLL files, ensuring full compatibility with any broker or prop firm challenge. Picture this, a staggering 261% profit rate. $261% monthly gain, making it a perfect EA for both beginner and experienced traders. And here is the boaster, it only has 11% drawdown. ToborFX EA is optimized to trade multiple assets. On 1 hour, 15 and 30 minutes time frames. You only need $100 to get started. Normally it is priced at $400. At Forexpro Mart, you can grab it for only $25. Now we will run it in MT4. Contact me on Telegram for further details.